So what's the...
All right, mamas, we're out of here. Did you get your present?
Yep.
Did
Don't
you put
forget
it,
your
did you
gift
put it on
card.
super white screen?
Did you get your gift card?
I got him.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like really bad at those. Like I didn't even record us doing games.
See you, brother.
Oh.
What the fuck is up? We're about to bake some fucking sugar cookies. Like, get excited. Like, get into the holiday spirit, bitch. I would totally recommend everyone preheating their oven to 350. Sugar cookie ingredients, or these, yeah, these are the ingredients. We're gonna need flour, baking powder, salt, half cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cream the butter and sugar, and we're gonna beat it until fluffy. Blend in the eggs and vanilla, add dry ingredients, mix well, chill overnight. That's like the main thing. We just have to let it chill overnight. The next step in our baking video, our baking tutorial, our sugar cooking tutorial is, I'm not even gonna add this in. Oh, I have no idea what this is. Oh my god, so like that was the first time I ever got to do the whole string thing without it like fucking up on me. All my Navajo grandmas out there, you done right! For all my bakers out there who are like, Collin, you're supposed to do the whole like little thing. Well, bitch, come to my kitchen and do it for me. Y'all want some family? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I need to pour that into, I have the flour thing. Okay, everybody remember, I put 2 cups of flour in there. All right? Okay, also I have to restart my, any of y'all have vinyls? Listen, let me know what y'all use to clean your records with, because the guy like I was seeing told me that he would. But then I think he got back together with his ex-girlfriend. So y'all know how like awkward that is when you're, you know, not out of the closet, fling goes back to their ex-girlfriend. Like, that's always fun. Probably not in the sink. Maybe in there, yeah. Ooh, okay. Well, thank you, Bluebird, for your... Bird is the word, motherfuckers, and go watch Bird Box. Sandra Bullock did such a good job. Okay, well, now that we got 2 cups, I'm gonna add in the 3.5 remaining cups of flour that I need, and I will be right back. Okay, so I fucked up. This is no longer gonna be a thing where it's like cute. It's really just gonna be into a vlog. So like, I already put in so much effort. Like, from once we started, it was like, where's everything? I'm in the middle of everything now, bitch. Like, I have so much, I have a lot prepared. I have so much done right now. I am beating my eggs. Like, I'm not beating my eggs. I'm combining the sugar and the, sugar and butter. So I got the sugar and butter going. I have my dry ingredients. I have to get sure like that's fluffy, and then I add in the eggs, vanilla, and then the dry ingredients. So like that's the next steps. All of this is so stressful, and I hope these cookies taste great because I'm happy.
You know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Not really, but make it so you make it. I'm using this pure vanilla extract. My heart beat, but it's so violently inside of your head. I see it all the time. Oh. Whoops. I'm basically done baking, but I know I just pushed my hair back and I shouldn't have done that, but I did it anyways. So I'm going to do the thing where I, you know, put that dough into like saran wrap. I don't know, plastic wrap. I'm gonna throw it in the refrigerator overnight, and tomorrow we're gonna get our bake on, bitches. I gotta stop doing that and find something else. Like, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll just, like, stop talking. Like,